So today I'll be showing you how to recover a deleted Instagram account. Now, when you delete an Instagram account, first you get a 30-day grace period, after which the files are permanently deleted from the Instagram servers. So I'll be showing you how to recover your account in both scenarios. Now, if it's still within 30 days of the account deletion, just go to the Instagram app. Now, obviously, this is not the Instagram account I'm talking about. I have another one that's deleted. So what you want to do is log into that Instagram account on the app. Okay. Now I'm just gonna come here, select that, and then add Instagram account. And then now let's log into that deleted Instagram account. So I'm gonna select login to an existing account. Come here and now attempt to log into that account. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in the details, the username and password of the deleted account. You have to remember those at the very least. Once you enter the username and password, just tap on login. And it says, want to continue using this account? You're requested to delete that account. If you want to keep it, you have until 9th May to let us know. So do you want to keep account or you want to go back to the login? So select keep account. Okay. Once you select that, then you can now attempt to log in again. And that will log you back into the Instagram account. So you can see we're now logged in, and that means we have successfully recovered our Instagram account. Okay, simple as that. So that is basically how to recover an Instagram account that was deleted within the last 30 days. Now, if you're in a scenario where you might have deleted more than 30 days ago, then you have to talk to Instagram to try and recover your account. So you can go to your favorite browser, and in your Instagram browser, just go to Instagram help. All right, so just go to Instagram help, search that. Make sure you search the correct thing. Instagram help center, actually. Okay, so in the Instagram help center, tap on the result. It's going to be at help.instagram.com. And so you want to talk about your problem. So just tap on the search button here and then select I can't log in. And then once you select I can't log in, you want to go down and then select any of the options here. For instance, I'll select that and then I'll choose, was this helpful? I'll select no. And then select other, and then now it's going to give you this text box where you can actually write to Instagram and tell them your issue. So you can write to them that you deleted your Instagram account more than 30 days ago and you regret that decision and you'd like to retrieve some information from that account, and hopefully they can restore the account for you. So you just want to write to them, be as polite as possible, be as direct and as informational as possible, and then hopefully they're going to send you an email. It's a long shot from for this one, but hopefully someone will read that email and try to help you recover your account. But this is a long shot, I have to say. Okay, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.